So we've done first verse last week. So text number 2, we will do text number 2. So I want you to repeat after me, and then I'll give you opportunity to read this Sanskrit verse. Okay? Sanjay uvacha दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत् दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगस्य राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्. Anyone wants to read it? Yes, ma'am.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगमय राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्.
Yeah,
the green one.
Go ahead. Sanjay uvacha दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचन अब्रवीत्. Very good. Anyone else?
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्.
Okay. So people who are new will give you a little bit of background. क्या हुआ? हम लोग ने महाभारत. कोई ऐसा है जो हिंदी में someone who is not comfortable with Hindi, raise your hands, except for the kids. Not comfortable with Hindi. So, but everyone else is comfortable with Hindi. So you learn Hindi, huh?
No, wait, no, I said you said I thought you mean something else.
No. So what's happening? A quick background. Kaurav Pandav, they are standing in front of each other, about to fight, है ना? युद्ध में खड़े हैं, युद्ध के मैदान में खड़े हैं. हमारे लिए ये पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है? क्योंकि युद्ध जो है, युद्ध सिर्फ battlefields में नहीं होता है. There is a big battlefield in here, in our head. So through this Bhagavad Gita, we will learn how to win that battle that goes up here, mainly. Yes, bro.
Sorry, I don't want to interrupt the flow.
No, please.
Maybe because there's some new people if you want to.
Oh yes, that's a good idea actually. So where is the other mic? Yes. Can I please get some people who are new to introduce themselves, tell them your name, where do you live, and what do you expect from this?
किसको देना है?
इनको. So आपका नाम, आप कहाँ रहते हैं यहाँ पर, और इंडिया में कहाँ से हैं, और यहाँ से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपका?
I'm Shikha. We live in Saltwater area.
अच्छा यहीं रहते हो?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
We come from Chandigarh in India.
अच्छा.
And what we expect is to learn more about Krishna, get some consciousness, and make some network here, friendships and everything.
Very good. आपकी family में कौन कौन है?
My husband and son, they just went out to pick some books from the car.
अच्छा.
And this little one here, Saiba.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. That's okay. That's okay.
And me.
Okay. So आपको यहाँ के बारे में किसने बताया?
और वो ललित जी हैं.
Oh, very nice. Thank you very much for coming. So, if you think that this is something that you want to do in future, you are more than welcome. Probably you can, if they are interested, add them in the group, and we'll see because हमने start ही करा है अभी. So, okay, who's next? In the back.
My name is Aman. I just.
Sorry, what's your name?
Aman.
Aman.
Yes.
Peace. Yeah, okay.
So I just live across the road.
Oh yes. Yeah.
And nearby.
Okay.
So actually, basically, I'm from Punjab, near Gurdaspur.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah. So I'm just want to learn about Bhagavad Gita. So it's something new for me.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So this is interesting actually.
Yeah.
आप लोग यहीं रहते हैं, then they didn't know about the program yet.
Yeah, I know that, but like I just have like kids, small kids.
आपके घर में कौन कौन है?
My husband, I've got 2 kids.
2 kids हैं, और क्या एज है उनकी?
One is just 1 year old.
Very nice.
And I got daughter. She's 8 years old.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
So one of the things that we try and do is give our kids the culture that they will never get in Australia. क्योंकि हम लोग खुद ही भूल गए हैं तो बच्चों को क्या दिलाएं? So this is an opportunity for us to connect on a weekly basis to connect with our roots. So welcome. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Very nice.
Hello, my name is Sushma.
Sushma.
Yeah, we also live nearby, other side of the road.
Okay.
Yeah, we are from Kurukshetra, Haryana.
Oh wow, you're from Kurukshetra. We missed the words Dharmkshetra, Kurukshetra last week. Yes.
Yeah, we are family of 4. Me, my husband,
Yeah.
Manoj, my little daughter,
Yeah.
and my son.
How old is this? Oh yeah, what's your name?
My name is Ojas. I'm 11.
Ojas. You know what Ojas? You know what Ojas means?
Like kind of like energy.
Yes, it means stage in Hindi. In Sanskrit, it's called Teja. Teja. Ojas. Very nice.
Yeah, she's my daughter, Hemi.
Hemi.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Welcome. So, आपको क्या expectation है यहाँ से?
Frankly speaking, मेरे को रुचिता ने इनवाइट किया
Okay.
और जहाँ पे भी कुछ भी रिलीजन रिलेटेड कुछ स्पिरिचुअल कुछ भी होता है तो हम हमेशा जाते ही
Oh,
हैं
very nice.
तो हम यहाँ भी पहुँच गए
Very nice. Beautiful. Thank you.
तो अब आप हर फ्राइडे पहुंच जाइएगा। ये हर फ्राइडे होता है।
So my name is Manoj.
What do you do, Manoj?
I'm here.
Yes.
So we software developer.
Acha. And how long you been here? Like in Australia?
2.5 years.
Or you've been living for 2.5 years around here?
No, here in first year we live in Central Lake. After
Central
that,
Lake.
1 year in Squadron Road.
Yeah.
It is other side of the school.
Yeah.
And right now, from last 3 months, we are just here.
Oh, perfect timing, huh? Bhagavad Gita started here after shift over. Very nice. Thank you very much. Welcome. We really heartily welcome all of you. We'll say Hari Bol 3 times for them. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Thank you very much for coming. Thank you, Prabhu, for reminding me. I just completely forgot. So, Bhagavad Gita में क्या हो रहा है? Battlefield है. The Kaurav and Pandav, they are standing in front of each other, and Sanjay is reciting the whole live telecast for Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra is blind. He's physically, हमने last week देखा था, he's physically blind as well as spiritually blind. और किस चीज, what was his blindness? क्या था उसकी सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी blindness में क्या? Yes, पुत्र प्रेम. Blind love for the son. और फिर हमने एक एग्जांपल भी दिया था which was very किसी मूवी का, कौन सी मूवी का एग्जांपल दिया था? Harry Potter. Who is Harry Potter's uncle? Snape. It's not in Bhagavad Gita anyway. Whoever, whatever his name was, he used to love his Sandev, and so that kind of blind love for the kids, वो था किसमें? The crush में. So when they were standing in front of it, Sanjay बता रहा है, and then we will read what Srila Prabhupada says. Anybody wants to? Actually, what we'll do is we will. What I'm going to do? I'm going to get out of this. I will show you.
Mama.
Anybody who wants to read the translation?
I don't want to read that.
Sanjay said, O king, after looking over the army arranged in military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words.
So, अब जो वर्स है, वो कौन बोल रहा है? दुर्योधन. Now, we discussed this last time as well. कि Duryodhan was a very, very strong politician. इतना जबरदस्त politician था, उसको पता है किसे कैसे बात करनी है. So he goes, what he does, he actually goes and talks about his. You guys can see this here. We'll read this. Repeat after me. Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahitim Chamum Vyudam Drupadaputrena Takshishena Dhimata Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahitim Chamum Vyudam Drupadaputrena Takshishena Dhimata. Anyone wants to read the verse? Sounds good. Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahitim Chamum Vyudam Drupadaputrena Takshishena Dhimata. Thank you. Anyone else? Yes, wait. Mike.
Pashyetam Panduputranam
Acharya Mahitim Chamum
Vyudam
Drupadaputrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Anyone else?
Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahitim Chamum Vyudam Drupadaputrena Takshishena Dhimata.
Anyone else? Okay. So somebody reads the translation. And you will read it? Just this in English. The English one. Oh my teacher.
O my teacher, behold the great army of the son of Pandu, so expediently arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada.
Very nice. Thank you, Beta. Very good. So, Now मैं बोल रहा था ना, he is very good with politics. Now he is quoting. सबसे पहला शब्द क्या बोल रहा है? He went to द्रोणाचार्य. दुर्योधन went to द्रोणाचार्य. And क्या बोल रहा है? Thank you bro. द्रोणाचार्य को बोलता है कि अरे देखो कितनी एक्सपर्ट आर्मी बनाई है. किसने बनाई है? आपका शिष्य. किसका बेटा? द्रुपद का बेटा, है ना? Now द्रुपद पुत्रेण. Now why would he say that? So क्या हुआ था? Drupad was a king's son, and द्रोणाचार्य was a Brahman son. दोनों एक साथ एक गुरुकुल में पढ़ते थे, and they were best mates, you know. सबसे बड़ी क्या चीज? यारी है ईमान मेरा यार मेरी जिंदगी. तो उसने बोला हम दोनों बेस्ट फ्रेंड हैं, and they were so good friends that द्रुपद ने एक बार बोला बचपन में कि you know what, जब मैं राजा बनूंगा ना, I'll give you half of my kingdom. तो you know दोनों की यारी बड़ी अच्छी थी. Then they grow up, पढ़ाई पूरी हो गई, अपने अपने रास्ते. He became the king. He became normal Brahmana. Oh, Brahmana, he was very poor. So द्रोणाचार्य बहुत गरीब था, and he had nothing. Like कई बार खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता था. तो one day उसके बेटे को बहुत ज्यादा भूख लग रही थी. He wanted to drink milk. तो उसने वो ना किसी को बोला, वो उसने जाके कि यार मेरे को ना दूध ही नहीं पिया, मैंने बहुत दिन हो गए दूध नहीं पिया, because he can't afford it. तो मजाक में किसी ने उसको चूना होता है, चूना क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में उसको? हाँ, उसको उस पानी में घोल के उसको पिला दिया. And when द्रोणाचार्य found out, he got so upset and angry at himself. यार ये क्या है यार, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? As if father, मैं अपने बच्चे को दूध भी नहीं पिला पा रहा हूँ. And he got so angry, and suddenly उसके दिमाग में आया, अरे मेरा एक दोस्त था, let me go and ask for help. So he went there, and उसको क्या मांगना था द्रुपद से? He just wanted to थोड़ी सी financial help कर दो, बहुत problem है. So he went there, and then he उनके सभा में जाके उसको remind करवाया कि you know when we were young, you told me that you're gonna give me half a kingdom. लेकिन उसको half a kingdom नहीं चाहिए था. He was just saying it. You told me this. He was just reminding it. And Drupad got angry. He said, "What do you mean? जो दोस्ती होती है बराबरी में होती है. तुम कहाँ गरीब ब्राह्मण और मैं राजा." बस इतना सा बोला उसने. And then he got so angry. फिर क्या हुआ? Then he went back. फिर उन्होंने पांडवों कौरवों को पढ़ाना शुरू करा. He became the Raj, like you know, राजा का मेन आदमी. And then what happened is he became so powerful. उसने कौरवों को भेजा कि काम करो, द्रुपद को बांध के घसीट के मेरे सामने ले जाओ. कौरव गए, लेकिन द्रुपद ने उनकी इतनी पिटाई करी, 100 के 100 कौरवों की इतनी पिटाई करी, भाग के आ गए वो लोग वापस. फिर उन्होंने 5 पांडवों को भेजा. 5 पांडव गए, उनको थोड़ी देर में हरा के बांध के ले आए. And then why? And then he said, Dronacharya said, "Chao, तुझे माफ करा." Like you know, and for a valiant Kshatriya, dishonor is worse than death. तो उसको गुस्सा आया बहुत. And he became so angry कि मार देता ना मुझे तो I would have been better. लेकिन मुझे छोड़ दिया ऐसे. He got really angry. Then he went back. उसने वो करा, क्या बोलते हैं, यज्ञ करा. और he got उसने क्या मांगा? मुझे ऐसा पुत्र चाहिए जो द्रोणाचार्य को मार सके, है ना? He will be cause of द्रोणाचार्य death. और उसको मिला बेटा. क्या नाम था उस बेटे का? Anyone? Yes बेटा. दृष्टिद्युम्न. Very nice. दृष्टिद्युम्न पैदा हुआ. और दृष्टिद्युम्न ने फिर क्या करा? उसने क्या करा? द्रुपद ने he sent दृष्टिद्युम्न where to learn from द्रोणाचार्य. And because उस समय the culture was such that ब्राह्मण के पास, इनके पास, टीचर के पास कोई आता है, you don't say no, no matter what happens. और उसने बोला उनको पता था ये कौन है. He was born to kill me, but he still gave him all the शिक्षा. Now यहाँ पर सबसे पहला टॉन्ट क्या मार रहा है दुर्योधन? He is saying, "Oh my teacher, look at the great army." और क्या बोला? "Son of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple of son of Drupi." बोला देखा, तुम्हें सबसे बड़ी गलती तुम्हारी है, you know, तुम्हारी वजह से ये सारी चीजें हो रही है. अब उसको टॉन्ट मार दिया ताकि वो थोड़ा सा बोले नहीं, I will kill him, whatever it is, you know. उसके बोलने के बाद then he said, and let's see what happens afterwards. So this is just तो मेरे को इसका वो नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't see my.
I think. प्रभु परपोर्ट निकल गया. हम परपोर्ट नहीं पढ़ रहे ना
अभी फर्स्ट चैप्टर का तो आप लोगों ने पढ़ लिया. मैं उसमें से जो था वो मैंने बोल दिया ना.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है प्रभु.
यस प्लीज पूछिए ना.
तो जैसे एक प्रथा थी कि मना नहीं कर सकते आप किसी को, स्पेशली वो टीचर बिना रीजन के तो वो भी. हाँ, तो वैसे ही एक मतलब एक शिष्य के लिए अपने गुरु को मारना वो कैसे हो सकता है? वो भी तो फिर उसी प्रथा के बीच में आता है.
Yes, there is a reason behind that. We'll talk about Eklavya, but we'll quickly address this. So in Vedic culture, it's not. आप गुरु की जो हत्या होती है, it's considered to be the biggest of the crime. It's not. लेकिन if हमारे शास्त्रों में भी लिखा है गुरु is on the side of adharma, then you can kill guru.
Oh wow.
Yes. So Drashtadyumna killing his guru was actually a pious activity. It was a pious activity. वो तो ऐसी activity है जिसके लिए उसको he should be rewarded, not because of the guru हत्या, because of धर्म की रक्षा. जो अधर्म के साथ है उस गुरु को आप मार सकते हो, जो अधर्म के साथ है उस गुरु को आप मना भी कर सकते हो. जैसे बलि महाराज के गुरु ने उनको मना करा था, don't give them 3. उन्होंने बोला नहीं, I will not obey you because धार्मिक रूप से he knew there is a supreme lord, I'll give him. अपनी गुरु की अवज्ञा करना is one of the 10 offenses में आता है. अगर if you do one of the गुरु अवज्ञा करते हो तो बहु जन्म करे यदि श्रवण कीर्तन तबूत न पाए कृष्णा पदे प्रेम. कितना भी आप जन्मों तक कितनी भी कुछ कर लो, अगर आप गुरु की अवज्ञा करते हो तो आप कहीं नहीं पहुंचोगे भक्ति में. लेकिन अगर वो गुरु आपको अधर्म करने के लिए कह रहा है तब आप उसको मना कर सकते हो. जो आपकी डिवोशनल सर्विस को नीचे जाने के लिए कुछ कह रहा है गुरु, तो आप उनकी अवज्ञा कर सकते हो. और इन द सेम टर्म नाउ वी एड्रेस योर्स. एकलव्य के ऊपर वी कैन एक्चुअली गिव अ होल क्लास बिकॉज़ इंडिया में एकलव्य को हीरो माना जाता है ना. एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स एकलव्य वाज अ हीरो, बट ही वाज नॉट अ हीरो. एकलव्य को उन्होंने इसलिए मना कर दिया था शिष्य बनाने के लिए क्योंकि एकलव्य was not entitled, I shouldn't say entitled, he was not fit to be trained. He was not fit to be trained. कैसे? लोग बोलते हैं because नीची जाति का था ये, और it's all rubbish. It was nothing to do with, भगवान खुद ही भगवद गीता में कहते हैं धर्म, वो is the verse जिसमें भगवान कहते हैं कि चातुर्वर्ण्य न्यायशिष्टम गुण कर्म विभागश. ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य और शूद्र, they are actually designed by me गुण और कर्म के हिसाब से. गुण और कर्म, not जन्म. It's not decided because of your birth that you are ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य और शूद्र. So he was a shudra, but he was actually with mind from his mind he was a shudra. उनको पता था अगर उसको ट्रेन करेंगे he would go to the side of adharma and he will become more culprit of his wrong karma, और फिर then he has to go back to millions of lifetime के लिए नरक में अगर वो उनको शिक्षा दे देते, because he would have used that शिक्षा for adharma, because he was not उसकी बुद्धि इतनी वो नहीं थी कि he could understand what is dharma, what is adharma. So he was actually not a very amazing guy जिसना हमें टीवी वगैरह में दिखाया जाता है, because people love controversy ना, so they create controversy. ओ देखो इतने बड़े जो राजा के बेटे थे उनको खिला दिया, राजा का बेटा king, son of the king got as a disciple and he was a shudra, he didn't get a disciple. A lot of people in India who think of themselves as shudras, they think that it was very big injustice. It was not injustice actually. So that is the reason why if someone, क्योंकि this was the biggest act of compassion towards एकलव्य कि उन्होंने उसको शिक्षा नहीं दी. अगर दे देते, he would have done things that would have ended him more and more bad karmas. He would have gone down. Yes, better.
और उनको मारने एकलव्य को मारने वाले भी कृष्ण ही थे. When he took Rukmani from the marriage ceremony, Eklavya was also one of them.
That's correct. Eklavya was a very he was very skilled, लेकिन उनको पता था ये अपनी स्किल का गलत यूज करेगा, तो उसको नहीं सिखाया. It was the biggest act of compassion. लेकिन इंडिया में क्या दिखाया गया उसको? Oh, he was a partial person. पैसे नहीं थे. द्रोणाचार्य के पास अभी इतना पैसा था जिसकी हद नहीं. He was probably as good as right hand of the king. So he didn't need any of that money from anyone. But उन्होंने इसलिए नहीं करा. ऐसा नहीं. कई लोग बोलते हैं एकलव्य was as good as Arjun and all that. It was all rubbish. He was really good. He was very valid, really good skill. But nothing as compared to Arjun. Arjun is a Nitya Siddha devotee. Nobody can be compared with Arjun. Nobody. तो how can we compare एकलव्य? लेकिन क्योंकि क्या होता है इंडिया में थोड़ा सा वो इमोशन दिखाने के लिए they treat you like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do text 4. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
द्रुपदस्य महारथः.
अत्र शूरा महाश्वेसा.
अत्र शूरा महाश्वेसा.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
द्रुपदस्य महारथः.
Who wants to read? Yes. Mike, you can read one.
अत्र शूर महेश्वासा.
अत्र शूर महेश्वासा.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
Anyone else?
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
भीमार्जुन समायुधि.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
युयुधानो विराटश्च.
द्रौपदश्च महारथः.
द्रौपदश्च महारथः.
Okay, let's read. Who wants to read the? Someone who hasn't read as yet.
I'll read it.
Do you want to read the translation? Just the English one.
Here's this army are many heroic bowmen, equal in fighting to Bhima and Arjun. Great fighters like Yudhana, Virata and Drupada.
Very nice. Thank you, Beta. So, Agra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjun Samayudhi. Abhi, इसमें who is the better fighter, Arjun or Bhim? Arjun. Then why is he saying Bhim at the first? हमारे आचार्य बताते हैं. Any guess why is he calling Bhim का नाम पहले क्यों ले रहा है? Why is he saying Bhim first? क्योंकि होता क्या है, जब हम लोग बताते हैं तो we start with the best fighter and then going on. Yes, bro.
क्योंकि भीम ने प्रतिज्ञा ली थी कि वो
Yes. And he knew that सबसे कोई मारेगा मुझे, जो मारेगा ना वो कौन होगा? भीम ही होगा. Actually भीम killed every single Kaurava. 100 के 100 कौरव को भीम ने मारा. So he said Bhim because he was really scared of Bhim. Duryodhan was a brilliant, very valiant fighter, लेकिन he was really scared of Bhim. है ना? तो पहले भीम बोला, फिर उसके बाद बोला अर्जुन, है ना? And then he is talking about Yuyudhano. Anybody knows who Yuyudhano was? Yuyudhano was Krishna's charioteer. He's not an ordinary person. He's a Yadu. He's Krishna के charioteer. He was extremely powerful. Yuyudhano was so powerful that literally सिर्फ Yuyudhano खड़ा होता ना तो ये 100 के 100 कौरव कुछ नहीं कर पाते. They couldn't do anything. He was such powerful, valiant, and he was one of the fighters. And he says Yuyudhano and Virat. Who was Virat?
King Virat.
Who was King Virat? Mahabharata.
They were living in different kingdom.
Different kingdom, but what was the relevance?
Maybe in Ajnatavas.
Yes. Agyatavas mein they stayed with Virat, King Virat. So he was there as well. And who was Draupadi?
Father-in-law.
That's correct.
Draupadi's father.
No,
That was Drupad.
that's Drupad. We're talking about Virat.
Okay. And next is
Now Drupad. Next is
So next is Drupad. Do you know who Drupad was? We discussed about. Yes, Beta.
Draupadi's father.
Yes, that's correct. He was. So he's saying कि they are actually there, and why he is saying that कि भैया he's दुर्योधन क्या बोल रहा है कि तुम पता है देखो भीम के साथ ये नाम ले रहे हो तो he is such a big politician. वो उसको गुस्सा दिला रहे हैं. पहले तो द्रुपद पहले बोला फिर द्रुपद पुत्र पहले बोला यहाँ पर द्रुपद का नाम वापस ले ले. He wanted him to get angry so that he can actually lead them. Anybody has any questions so far?
Prabhu, I have heard that
Yes.
Lord Krishna charioteer name was Daru.
Sorry?
If I'm wrong, I don't know. I have heard that his charioteer name is Daru.
No. He was one of the charioteers. Maybe some other time, but he was one of the charioteers. It was very powerful. So जो कृष्णा के जो charioteer होंगे, वो cannot be ordinary. ना भगवान के charioteer cannot be ordinary.
Uddhav was also one Uddhav.
Yeah, so भगवान के जो अलग-अलग charioteers हैं उसमें से one of the Yudhana was a very big valiant fighter.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः
काशीराजस्य
वीरवान्
पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैवश्च नरपुङ्गवः दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः
काशीराजस्य वीरवान्
पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैवश्च नरपुङ्गवः. Anybody wants to recite the verse?
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजस्य वीरवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैवश्च नरपुङ्गवः. काशीराजस्य वीरवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च गवः शैवस्य च नरपुङ्गवः.
Okay, let's read the translation. Anyone who hasn't read the translation, they want to read it?
I can do.
Yes, please.
बच्चे खत्म हो गए. There are also great heroic, powerful fighters like Drishtaketu, Chekitana, Kashi Raja, Purujit, Kunti Bhoja, and Saibya.
So what we'll do is I'm going to bring this up here. So these are the things that we discussed that we will have. You guys can't see this, but I'll send you this anyway, so you will have a note of this. So Duryodhan ne, because he was, हमने discuss करा, he was quite fit to be a politician, ठीक है? And then वो क्या कर रहा है? उन्होंने दुर्योधन बोल रहा है कि आपने गलती करी है द्रोणाचार्य. He was pointing the mistake of Drona कि आपने अपने जो आपको मार सकता है उसी को सिखाया, you know, so it's your fault. लेकिन फिर mentions great heroes equal to Bhima and Arjun, because he knew the strength of Bhima and Arjun, and he mentions other heroes because they were great stumbling blocks, है ना? फिर और उसके बाद then we'll read the next one before we go to this.
All tap करो.
नहीं यहाँ पे sketch because.
Oh sorry. तो कुछ और ही हो गया.
What's happening to my cursor? Anyone wants to read this translation? Yes.
Oh sorry.
There are mighty Yudhamani, the very powerful Mucha, the son of Subhadra, and the sons of Draupadi. All these warriors are great chariot fighters.
Very good. Next one. Who wants to read the next one? Yes, please.
But for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are especially qualified to lead my military force.
Now, उसने क्या करा? डराने की कोशिश करी, उकसाने की कोशिश करी, सब कुछ बोला. अब बोला अरे यार ये I'm putting their moral down now. क्योंकि अब इतने सारे महारथियों के नाम ले लिए जो पांडवों के साइड में. अब मैं अपनी तरफ के जो लोग हैं उनके बारे में बोलूँगा, है ना? Now this is really interesting. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च
कृपश्च समितिञ्जय
अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च
सौमदत्ते च
Wants to read? You have a question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Duryodhana now just gonna exaggerate his army?
Yes. So he will exaggerate his army and he will one by one he will say everybody's name उनको चढ़ाने के लिए. Have you heard of that? एक शेर था ना, खुद ही को बुलंद करके चढ़ाओ जैसे तैसे कि खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे अबे उतरेगा कैसे. Yeah, so you चढ़ाने का मतलब होता है कि you know pump them with false ego. So he's trying to pump false ego in them. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जय अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्ते च वेदित. So who wants to read? Anyone? We can go to the translation. You want to read? Okay.
Translation.
Do you want to read translation?
I can do it.
Okay, do the whole thing.
भावं भीमस्य कर्णश्च
कृपश्च समितिञ्जय
अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च
अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च
सोमदत्तिस्तथैव च
सोमदत्तिस्तथैव च
There are personalities like you, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwatthama, Vikarna, and the son of Somadatta called Bhurishrava, who are always victorious in the battle.
Beautiful. Look at my Bharatana, he is a politician. Why? He is saying there are personality like you. Dronacharya was... चलो, Bhishma और Dronacharya में कौन powerful था? भीष्म इतना powerful था, सिर्फ अकेला भीष्म would have gotten rid of all the 7 Lakshmani Sena of Pandava. एक अकेला भीष्म. That's how powerful he was. He was so powerful that he could have killed every single soldier in the battlefield. Actually, not even his. He could have killed 7 Lakshmani Sena of Pandava and 11 Lakshmani Sena of Kaurav by himself. This is how powerful he was. लेकिन यहाँ पर वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि he is talking to द्रोणाचार्य. ऐसा तो बोल नहीं सकता. देखो भीम है, आप भी हो. ऐसे नहीं बोला. आप भी हो और भीष्म भी है. ऐसे बोला. So क्योंकि he wanted to make sure that he can get a little bit of confidence. है ना? अभी क्या हुआ कि भीष्मा and then भीष्मा और कर्ण they don't get along. ठीक है? भीष्म और कर्ण they don't get along. तो जैसे ही भीष्म को उन्होंने बोला कि भीष्म जैसे हैं, उसको लगा कर्ण बाजू में खड़ा है, कर्ण को बुरा नहीं लग रहा है, and कर्ण, फिर उसके बाद फिर उसका कृपाचार्य and then he went to अश्वत्थामा, Vikarna was the only person जब द्रौपदी का चीरहरण हो रहा था, he was the only person who said stop, है ना? He is the only one. तो अभी क्या हुआ? युद्ध अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ है. युद्ध शुरू होने से पहले ना यूजुअली क्या वो होता है कि they tell the people, okay, you know what? तुमने देख लिया दोनों की आर्मी, आप लोगों ने देख लिया, आप में से पांडवों में से जिसको कौरवों के साथ जाना हो जा सकता है. पांडव बोलते हैं भैया तुमको जिसको कौरवों के पास जाना जा सकता है, जिसको लगता है कि हम मर जाएंगे, go to the other side. Now विकर्णा के ऊपर शक था इनको कि यार ये जा सकता है. विकर्णा is a flight risk ऐसा, he can go to the other side. इसीलिए विकर्णा was not even a very good warrior. He was normal, like a very simple, normal warrior. He was not even a Maharathi. There are Rati, Atirati, अर्धरथी, रथी, अतिरथी और महारथी. अर्धरथी क्या होता है? जो वन ऑन वन लड़ सकता है. रथी क्या होता है? जो घोड़े के साथ और वन ऑन वन दोनों के साथ लड़ता है. फिर होता है अतिरथी. अतिरथी क्या करता है? वो 1000 लोगों के साथ एक साथ लड़ सकता है. और जो महारथी होता है, महारथी कैन फाइट विद अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ पीपल. देयर इज नो, उसमें कोई काउंटिंग नहीं है. ही कैन फाइट विद एनी नंबर ऑफ पीपल. सो ही वाज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल अतिरथी. विकर्णा, बहुत सारे अतिरथी थे उनके उसमें. So लेकिन उसका नाम भी इसमें लिखा है. He was not even significant. लेकिन because he is a very good politician, he knew he is a flight risk. He wanted to keep him, so he said his name. Yes, beta.
In the purport it says Vikarna is the brother of Duryodhana.
Yes. Yeah, he was brother of Duryodhana.
On it.
Yeah, he was brother of Duryodhana. He was the only one who said no. पूरे कौरवों में से सिर्फ एक ही person था. Who said no, this is wrong. Stop it. Stop doing this. Yes, beta.
So Bhim still killed him.
Bhim still kills. Yeah. Because they are fighting irreligious side से fight कर रहे हैं. The people who are bad people, the villains, they are fighting from the villain side. Whoever is fighting from the villain side, they are villain. Simple as that. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं मेलबर्न विक्ट्री के साथ खेल रहा हूँ लेकिन मैं सिडनी स्वॉन्स हूँ. I can't say that, जहाँ के आप हो, that's what you are. So whoever was fighting with Kaurav, they were all fighting for adharmic war, including Bhishma Pitama. Bhishma Pitama was a devotee, but he still was on the side of Rama.
But wasn't there another person who said no? Duryodhana?
नहीं, दुर्योधन के भाइयों में से there was only one person who said no. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने मना कर दिया. उस असेंबली में there were other people who did not like it. भीष्म को भी अच्छा नहीं लगा था, but he didn't say anything.
I was thinking of somebody else.
Why did Bhishma choose Duryodhana's side?
नमक खाया था.
हाँ, exactly. नमक खाया। सो उन्होंने एक प्रण लिया था, जो भी वो होगा, जो भी राजा होगा, मैं उसकी साइड दूंगा। और इस वक्त जब वो सब कुछ हार चुके थे, who was the king? दुर्योधन। So धृतराष्ट्र, so he was gonna follow धृतराष्ट्र। तो इसीलिए कहते हैं कि कई बार क्या होता है, हम लोग भी why is it relevant is just because हम लोग एक पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं वो सही है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कई बार ऐसी चीजें होती हैं हमारे साथ कि हमें लगता है, जैसे फ्रेंड्स, यू नो, व्हेन वी आर यंग, फ्रेंड्स कुछ भी करे, कोई भी गलत काम कर रहे हैं, दोस्त है मेरा, तेरे लिए खड़ा रहूंगा, कुछ भी करे तो, कितनी भी बड़ी गलती करे, आई विल ऑलवेज स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू। व्हाट इज दिस? इज इट राइट थिंग टू डू? हु इज द बेस्ट फ्रेंड? हु इज द बेस्ट फ्रेंड? बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज समवन हु विल एलिवेट यू स्पिरिचुअली, मॉरली, एवरीवेयर। लेकिन हम लोग के लिए कौन से फ्रेंड? जो हमारी सारी बदमाशियों में हमारा साथ दें, ओके, बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, तू सदा कहेगा ना, मैं तेरे साथ खड़ा हूं, तेरे को मुर्गा बनना पड़ेगा, मैं तेरे साथ मुर्गा बनूंगा। That's not friendship, you know, and that's what we need to learn from Bhagavad Gita as well. Bhishma Pitamaha was an incredible devotee. He did, actually Bhishma Pitamaha did this thing for the sake of teaching us, है ना। भीष्म पितामह को पता क्या बोलते थे? Have you heard of Timingala? What is Timingala? Timi is a fish. Fish, 800 miles long fish. उसको बोलते हैं तिमी। और जो उसको निगल ले, उसको कहते हैं तिमिंगला। You know who used to be called Timingala? Bhishma Pitamaha. Because he was such a valiant warrior that he can actually kill the whole 80 Lakshmani Sena by himself, on his own. When जब उनको एक बार गुस्सा दिला दिया था, उन्होंने आधे दिन में आधी आर्मी खत्म कर दी थी पांडवों की, आधे दिन में आधी आर्मी। That's how powerful he was. इसलिए उनको बोलते हैं तिमिंगला। लेकिन फिर भी भीष्म पितामह wanted to teach us that even a person like Bhishma Pitamaha, if he is following the wrong side, he will die. वरना हमें नहीं पता चलता। Bhishma Pitamaha is actually knew this as well. He is a devotee. He wanted to create an example for all of us. कुछ भी हो जाए, doesn't matter आप कितने powerful हो, अगर आप अधर्म की साइड हो, you have to die. और आपने कितने भी अच्छे कर्म करे हो, आप कितने भी अच्छे डिवोटी हो, doesn't give you right to follow adharma or follow the people who are following adharma. And that is why Bhishma took the side. और हमने देखा है कि भीष्म ने क्या करा? He made Krishna lift a weapon. उन्होंने अपना वो चक्का उठा लिया, and then he saw him and he put his arrows down, bow and arrow down. क्योंकि he was a devotee, he made his point. You know what? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how powerful I am, because I fought on the side of adharma, I have to die. And उनको एक वरदान क्या था आपको पता? What was his वरदान? इच्छा मृत्यु. Imagine, he was such a इच्छा में, और किसने दिया था उसका वरदान? शांतनु, उनके फादर ने. So he was, that's the teaching he gives us, है ना? So now we have done up till 11. कौन सा था ये verse? 9. So we'll start from 8, na? So start from 9. So it's 6:30. Should we take a couple of more verses or should we do the couple of more verses? Okay.
तो कुछ chanting भी कर ले. एक round chanting भी कर ले.
We do a one round of chanting. Yeah, let's do chanting. So where is the chanting bags? So what I'll do is I'll put the Mahamantra. How many of you don't know the Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Remember it? कोई ऐसा है? You don't? Okay, I'll put it on the screen. Okay.
Please put your hands up if you need it. Oh, just.
बेटा.
Oh,
बेटा उसमें वो नहीं क्या beadbags में?
Beadbags, some of them don't have.
नहीं ठीक है अभी तो ऐसे दे दो ऐसे दे दो नहीं जो नए हैं ना उनको beadbag मत दो because they don't know how to use it given the mala on them.
Yeah.
Prabhu, do you want to lead it? Prabhu, can you pass this mic over?
प्रत्युष इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है बेटा. There's more in it.
जब तक प्रीतिश सबको देता है, if I could request everyone to close your eyes, we'll do a very small pranayama.